Hey everyone, it's Marie again, your marketing lead here at Software Merchant. The more people get engulfed into technology, the more fake news is spread around. There's been a lot of controversy over the past few years about what is fake and what is real news. Along with all of the different outlets for news, we now have a new way of getting fake news, which is from artificial intelligence. If you're a big tech user, you could tell that there's a lot of fake news stirring around out there, like on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and basically any major social media outlet. Not to forget, there are also a bunch of fake news websites out there as well. Adding to this problem, artificial intelligence is starting to take over the newsrooms and any other job that requires writing articles. OpenAI's large-scale, unsupervised language model is capable of creating coherent paragraphs of text, as well as it's very good at predicting the next word in a text string. It is also capable of rudimentary reading comprehension, machine translation, question answering, and summarization, all without task-specific training. It is so interesting to think that AI could write a convincing article about finding life on another planet, or that a pig actually learned how to fly.
When AI decides, you're hired. Brussels Auto Show, the biggest car show in Belgium. Volvo stole the whole show because they had a car screening candidates, interviewing candidates, and basically selecting from 250 candidates who will qualify to be their engineer. The car will decide who will work as a mechanic or engineer on the car itself. This is all how AI works. AI will cut out the bias. It'll focus on your technical and social skills and try to come up with the best candidates and then hand it over to the management. Pretty amazing. Another AI project we're working on is with one of the automobile companies where the cars will be able to detect a human collision versus any other type of collision, and will be able to avoid that. Pretty impressive and quite powerful. Yeah, AI and machine learning is all about machines making unbiased decisions. Machines are making those decisions based on the data, based on the facts, based on your technology input, based on your social skills, based on your behaviors. You walk in and the lights go on in the room or they go off at certain time of the day, and certain day of the week, certain days of the month. All this is controlled by your behavior, your data, your patterns they observe. So exactly, this is not coded, but it's over the time machines are learning from the data. Artificial intelligence is helping some of our clients work through like claims, insurance claims project like Allstate and State Farm type of companies. We have other projects we're working on where we have big data and data mining happening, which is feeding into AI and machine learning, and they're coming up with a lot of trends and forecasts, and then machines are taking that and making better decision what they have in place for their customers to choose from.
Niraj actually brought up some cool ways of how AI is incorporated into our lives daily. One aspect I wanted to point out is how cars are becoming more aware of humans. For example, at the Brussels Auto Show, which is the biggest car show in Belgium, Volvo stole the show with its car that actually recruits its own technician. This car is called the recruiting car, and a real-life human candidate will actually go in the car, and the car tests its social and technical skills with an unbiased opinion. It's crazy that a car is interviewing someone for a position. So, I would definitely love to hear your opinions on artificial intelligence and how you incorporate it into your daily life. Thank you for tuning in.